Pleased to inform you, the American people should be extremely grateful and happy. No Americans were harmed in last night's attack by the Iranian regime.
You know, the media has a way of blowing things up, especially when it comes to this president. World War III, yada, yada, yada. Fools. We are not going to have a World War III. And you only need one reason why. And that reason is the most important, powerful people are making way too much damn money. Whether or not stocks, Bitcoin, financial markets go up or down. So, if you were in the whale crew, the CryptoFace, my trading group community in Discord, we waited and were watching the Trump address, and immediately when it was kind of clear that Iran, you know, let me put it to you this way. Iran fired off 15 missiles, and not one of those damn missiles hit one of the Americans. And to be honest with you, that's, in my opinion, most likely on purpose, because if there was a American casualty, hell would rain on them. And many a time, some of these folks, you know, they have to bark and maybe even nibble a little bit. But anyways, closed all my longs. If this is true and Iran does stand down and we do not have more missiles and bombs and drones, well, it is my opinion that the party's over. I have exited all my Bitcoin longs, and I am now in shorts. Market Cipher, we're on the 30-minute. You know, it's beautiful how even if you follow the steps, money flow continuing to the downside, a good, strong downward movement. We have an anchor wave, trigger wave. Somehow Market Cipher is able to nail moves before the fundamental news comes out. It's pretty sweet. And this happens every time. There hasn't been, in my opinion, this much of a fundamental influence on Bitcoin since the Winklevoss ETF rejection. So, gold, same thing. We'll see what happens with gold here. Let's take a look at ETH. It's all going to be the same shit. I'm telling you, if this is true, if these missiles are over, and I got a feeling that they are, just by his demeanor, the party's over, and we just hit the top of the channel. If these missiles didn't launch, you know, the whole, I've said this before I said on the last live stream, and by the way, I apologize to many of you throughout the world, because when I play certain songs and music, YouTube bans my video in most countries, and so I hate it when they do that. So I know a lot of people missed our live stream, and that sucks. So I had to make sure that I made this video with no music so everyone can see. But if those missiles didn't come, I don't believe gold would have pumped. I don't believe Bitcoin would have pumped. So I am no financial advisor, but I am sharing what I am doing and I closed my longs. I am in a short, and of course we're going to continue. I am going to continue the monitor situation, but look at our flow of money. It is still basically flat. On every single pump that we have, every single one, we see the same people, the same videos, saying the same things. Is this the bottom? Is it the bottom? And, maybe the clues will arise, but I don't think so. I think we're just going to be heading right back down. I don't think we're going to go any higher unless some more bombs fly. Yeah, I don't think I think the party's over. I think the party's over. I think the party's over. And we're going to get it. We're going to get ours. While everyone else is going to be hung over, stuck in their positions, wishing and hoping. We are going to stay the course. Be happy that there is no war. That there isn't going to be more death. Because life is good. Life is good. And, we want people to live. And we want to live our best lives. So we'll see what plays out. Hey, like I always say, you never know. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. But I am out of all my longs. Took my payday. Yippee-ki-yay. I'm back in short. And I'm ready to see this shit. I'm ready to see world peace. World peace. While the markets take a shit. And I'm going to ride these profits all the way down. Back to the depressing troll hatred Bitcoin bear market, the ugliness that some people can have. We've had this relief, when the market goes up, man, it is, I will say this, the good thing about a bull market is there is less ugliness in the community. In our community in crypto, for some reason, is already ugly. From the top people in the space, the most popular, when they debate, how they debate, the cheap shots they make, and how when anything new comes out, no matter what it is, it's a scam, and oh you can't do this. It's already a pessimistic, very pessimistic space. And in a bear market, it is even worse. In a bull market, it's not as bad. But I'd rather have trolls than real death.